jangan di skip, pokoknya jangan di skip. Menantu idaman mau lewat. Pip 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 calon mantu.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Cik Muhammad Amir bin Cik Amran. I am from Electronic System Program. In this video, I want to answer the online assessment 2. The question is, calculate the value of VC, IL and energy stored in capacitor and inductor. The value of R, C and L determined from our metric number. My metric number is 201371548. The value for resistor is 7 ohms. The value for capacitor is 5 farad. The value for inductor is 8 Henry. First, before we want to calculate the value, we need to apply the DC condition. What it mean by DC condition is, for capacitor we do as open circuit. For inductor we do as short circuit. First, to find IL, we need to find R total. R1 plus R2, 1 ohms plus 7 ohms equal to 8 ohms. Next, we need to find I total. V over R, 12 over 8. The answer is 1.5 ampere. The value for IL is equal to I total. So, the answer is 1.5 ampere. Next, to find VC, we need to find the voltage drop at R1. R1 is, formula for voltage is I plus I times R. 1.5 ampere plus times 1 ohms. The answer is 1.5 volt. Then we can simply minus the V source here minus voltage drop here. Then we get the voltage for VC. 12 volt minus 1.5 volt. The equal is 10.5 volt.
Jangan di skip.
Nak gimana nak? Ada dah lah.
Next, we want to calculate the energy stored in capacitor. The formula is here, 1.1 over 2 C V square. Then we can simply substitute all the number here. 5 farad from here. 5 capacitor is 5. Then 10.5 volt. The answer is 275.2625 joule. Energy stored in inductor, the formula is here. Then we can simply substitute all the number. 8 Henry from 8 Henry, the value for inductor. 1.5 ampere is value for I. Then the answer is 9 joule. Next, this question want us to present your answer by constructing the circuit given in figure 1 using Tinkercad software. So let's go to Tinkercad. So if we want to use Tinkercad, first open the Tinkercad and log in into our account. Create new circuit, rename as CEA2. Then we find all the item that we want to use, like resistor, breadboard, multimeter and power supply. This is how I construct the circuit. I am constructing the circuit based on the diagram given. After that, we can run the simulation and then we can see this is the ampere, this is the current and this is the voltage. I think that's all for me. Thank you.
Sudah lah. Gimana nak? Ada dah lah.